everyone, welcome to D4Drupal channel. Today we are going to see about how to configure fixed amount off on each matching product offer type in promotion. For that, what you have to do, you have to go to your commerce product promotion, and I am going to edit the existing one. You can create new one if you want. In order type, I am going to give fixed amount of each matching project. So I'm going to give 150 rupees off for each matching product which is we applied here. So product type and cloth, I'm going to give this offer only for product type which is cloth, and I'm going to save it. So this promotion already have some set of coupon. I'm going to reuse the same coupon now. I'm going to product. I'm going to add this to my cart. Your cart. Checkout. And here you can see the coupon code you have to apply. I'm copying this coupon code and I'm applying there and apply. So you can see the discount is added to your subtotal. So when you want to show the discount separately here, what you have to do, you have to go to your promotion and only show the discount on order total summary and save. After that, I'm going to remove this. Gonna apply same code here. And now you can see discount on clothes 150 rupees. The discount is showing separately here. And next, continue to review and pay and purchase. Okay. So now we successfully created an order by using the offer fixed amount off on each matching project. Okay. I hope this video useful for you. If you like the video, please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.